Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 59 of building the Batmobile Tumbler. In this issue, we're continuing with the roof piece that we started last time, if I remember correctly. That was a little while ago for me. A car for all, obviously Batmobiles through the ages stuff. What we've got there, welcome to Arkham. Maybe the games, maybe not. No, just comics again. But the Arkham games are very, very good. I should go back and play them again. I really enjoyed them. So yes, this is what we're doing. The roof supports that we started on last time, we're going to be building up the rest of that side, fitting that, and then building up the other side, fitting that, and then an extra support that goes across the middle. Finish that bit off for now. Anyway, let's clear this out of the way, and let's get to the build. So today's parts, we've got one packet of screws, which we're going to be using, 3 of. We've got the roof from last time that we put the single bracket on. We've got the support that's going to go across the middle, and we've got some other bits that are going to make up the bracket. So we've got 2 that are the same, 1 that's different, and 2 that are the same. We're putting that and that to one side. And now we're going to start with these bits, which are going to go together a little bit like that. That should go into that hole. That should go into that hole. Oh, I missed that hole. There we go. That one. Oh, missed it again. I keep twisting it round. It's definitely there. There it is. So that goes together like that. And then that goes into the other one that we've already put on there. So let's see. That's got to go right the way down in there. Get that lined up in that bit. Lined up into those 2 holes on there, and then that should go into bit up there. There we go. That's one side assembled. I shall get the screws out because we're going to be using these in just a moment. 3 of those I think we're going to need, because we need 1 now for this side. Going to go through there, hold all of that together like that. Then we need to make up the same bit on the other side. Get the side around with the holes in it. So that's just the same as we've done on this side, if we get it the right way round. That bit goes in there. Come on. Again, twisted round a bit too far. Let's twist that back round. There they go. But this time we can put this one on there already. That way round. That bit in there. Come on. Where you want to. There you go. That's that in there. So that's that all assembled with 2 screws to put that in there. But first of all, this bit goes across the top like so. I believe it's that way around because the other side's a bit rougher. So we'll have the nice side facing it up. It's going to go on the ends of there, like it did on the other side. Come on, get it the right way round, then it will. Right, lined up there we go. That's better. That's that there, and then that will locate into same two holes on this side that one did on the other side. I'm not sure what that beeping is, but we'll worry about that later. So then I get 2 screws in to hold that in place. And I believe that is the end. Let's just have a look at the instructions there. Yep, when those 2 screws are in, that is this piece completed. Let's come off of there, right. Let me get that back together, get it all assembled, and we'll see how it looks in the end. There we go. That was surprisingly hard to get all lined up properly, actually, but there we go. That is that on there, and that is this issue completed. I think we're done for this bit for now. I think we're starting on a separate side pieces next time. But for now, that is that. I do like the way this is coming together. It is unfortunate that it's all black on black, and it's not very easy for me to see, let alone for me to show you on camera. But hopefully you're getting the gist of it. And I shall see you for more very, very soon. So stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.
Yeah.